morning to all dignitaries. I am Ravi Kiran Hiremat from National Institute of Technology, Karnataka, India. On the request of the IRSCC team, I am merging the presentation contents of my paper IDs 184 and 185. My paper titles are Performance of DFIG Wind Turbine Generator System for LVRT Enhancement using Proportion Resonant Controller and Comparative Analysis of Different Controllers for Enhancing the LVRT of DFIG System. The contents of my presentation are introduction, literature, modeling of DFIG, LVRT analysis, result and discussions, and conclusion. So in the introduction slide, maximum power is extracted from the wind is given by half rho Cp lambda comma beta AV infinity cube. Tip speed ratio versus power coefficient graph is drawn and is shown in the figure. Continuous operation of the DFIG system during faults like voltage dip and voltage swell is named as LVRT. During different countries, grid codes are shown in the figure. Double-fed induction generator based wind turbine is used in wind energy conversion system. It has rotor side converter, grid side converter, and capacitor between them. DFIG is very sensitive to the grid fault. The DFIG has been modeled using the given equations of DQ reference frame. Electromagnetic torque, stator real power, and reactive power are also given. So coming to the literature side, the author Tang, Das, and Zhu in 2018, they have worked on the transient rotor current and transient compensation and the speed of the generator. In the 2019, the Zhu again in the 18, Shahi, Bhattacharjee, and Vijay Priya, they worked on the DC link voltage suppression and its control. In the year 2016, Mohammadi, he worked on the fast transient response. Coming to the drawbacks, the certain operating conditions leads to instability of the stator dynamics. Stator current is restricted and crowbar circuit to be turned off, increasing the rotor resistance and mismatch between the actual and reference values. So in this slide, controllers are key factors during LVRT. Different controllers such as PI, PID, and PR controllers are used for the LVRT enhancement. Performance of the PR controller is compared with the PI and PID controller. So here in active core control, PS and PS star difference generate the error and it is made as 0 using PI, PID, and PR controller. In the same way, IQR current is controlled. In the reactive power control, QS and QS star difference generate the error and it is made as 0 by PI, PID, and PR controller. And IDR current is controlled in the same way. Coming to the stability analysis, we can come to know that PR controller provides least variations. IQR, IDR currents are used to control the active and reactive power. The transfer functions are given for active and reactive power control. Gains of PID and PR controllers can be seen here. So in the result and discussion slide, simulation results of PI and PR controllers are compared. Rotor current, active power, reactive power, and DC link voltage are shown here. Red line indicates the effect of PR controller. Dotted blue line indicates the effect of PI controller. We can see the performance of PR controller is better than the PI controller. So here, simulation results of PI and PID controllers are compared. Machine parameters such as rotor current, active power, reactive power, and DC link voltage are shown. Red line indicates the PID effect. Dotted blue line indicates the effect of PI control. Coming to the complexities, the listed complexities are RS is unable to reduce the rotor inrush current for a short duration of 150 milliseconds under severe faults. Control gains doesn't respond adequately to three-phase fault. Different controllers of the DFIG system are complex to build. We have made some observations such as gains of the PI, PID, and PR controllers are vary according to the severity of the fault. PR controller is better than the PI and PID. PR controller provides the proper uniformity under severe faults. Coming to the conclusion, both papers proposed the PR controller for the DFIG system under fault conditions. Results of the PR controller is compared with the PI and PID controllers. Stability analysis of the PR and PID controllers bring the effectiveness in the system performance. Simulation results indicate the improved transient response and LVRT enhancement is achieved under the fault conditions. These are the references. Thank you. Thank you all the members and organizing committee of the IRSCC 2020.